why someone sent me a Toblerone. Yes guys, how's it going? Welcome back to today's video. I just want to apologise first of all, my hay fever is playing up really bad today. I'm suffering today, so if I sound a bit groggy or moody in the video, I'm not. It's just the hay fever is kicking my butt today. So today we are going to be installing some gas bonnet strut raisers on the Mark II ST. So I'm going to spin the camera around, show you what we've got. First of all, I will say a big thanks to these guys. The delivery was super fast. Now it was a free delivery, so I was expecting a couple of days wait, and I ordered it on a Tuesday morning. It arrived the next day when I got home from work, so that is spot on. That's brilliant, that I thought. So again, spin you around and I'll show you what we got. Here we have it guys. This is literally what we're getting in the box, and obviously I'll go through and show you how we're going to install all of these as we go through the video. But these bits basically go in the bonnet, and then these two attach to the car, and obviously you've got your gas struts there. The fitting instructions, if you want to look at these yourself, can be found online on their Facebook page, or by going to their website, which I'll leave a link for all this down below anyway in the video description, as I always do. So yeah, let's crack on and get this installed. One thing I did just forget to mention guys is the tools you're going to need. So you're going to need a 10mm spanner, a 13mm spanner, and this, which is a glasses, like, you know, like a pair of glasses mini screwdriver, and that basically goes through there like that to lock it in place under the bonnet up there. You will also need to jack your car up if you're lowered, because you need to get your hand up into the wheel well and up to the top of the strut tower, because there's another piece that goes on under there. The first thing we're going to do is take this piece, which has got the logo on it. Looks like that, and it is different to the one that goes on that side, because it has the relocation for the battery earth on it. So bear that in mind when you're installing these, if it's something you want to do. Anyway, this one, that's the locking piece that goes on the bottom of there, and this is the piece that needs to go underneath there. So what I'm going to have to do now off camera is push that up onto there, and then tighten that bolt through that hole and onto there. Right, there we have it guys, that's how that sits, like that. Obviously I've tightened it up so it's all nice and tight, and then we can move on to this side. Pretty much the same again, but first of all you're going to have to remove this, and as I said before, that then sits in there, and you get the new nut to go with it, so you can get rid of this crusty one. So we're going to take this out, put that in there, and then put the strap back onto that. So I got that one slightly wrong. You do have to reuse the nut. I think you can use this washer that we used on the other side. I think you can use it the same underneath there, and you do get obviously a bolt and a washer supplied with them, so that you can do it that way. But the instructions I'm following off their site says to do it this way, and then obviously put that one strap there. So that's just how we're going to do that one. Obviously we'll see how we get on, and if we need to change it over, then it's all good, it's easy enough. Now when it comes to the next part, you've got the other side of it, which goes into that hole, which is round, and that hole, which is oval. And obviously coming with the kit, you've got one of these with the lock-in hole in it, which is round, and the other one is oval, so pretty sure you can distinguish which one's which. So we'll take the round one, and that's going to go into that round hole, and to do that just twist it round, it's dropped in, and in it goes. Then we get the little screwdriver we was talking about, and it's going to go through that hole, and then you're going to find, if you can spin this round, that hole under there as well. You're going to put it through the two and screw this up so that the captive nut that's on there faces outwards to the side of the bonnet. So again, I'll do that off camera. I'll do both, it's pretty much the same process, and then we're almost done. So that's that one in guys, and we've got the same over there. I found the one on the driver's side, obviously in England it's on this side, that side was a lot easier to do up than that side. Now I don't know if that's because I'm right-handed or not, so if you do this, let me know in the comments below if you're left-handed and you found that side easier or that side. But anyway, the next thing we need to do is to put these back in to these bits here. So these are going to screw into there, and obviously that's what the top of the strut is going to go into. So we'll put that one in there. Same again on this side. Pretty simple. That one's done up into there. We'll give that a little pinch in a sec to make sure it's tight, and then we need to get our gas struts, which I've left up here. So on here there is a little pin, this little pin here that runs around here. We need to take that off in order to obviously get that on. As you can see in there, that's the locking pin, and it will stop it from coming off the ball. And obviously it's the same with the other side. If I can get to focus, you'll see there he is. So we'll take the locking pin out, put these on to the bolts, and then we can put the pins back in. So we'll do that on both sides, and then we can take off the bonnet prop that's on there already. There we have it. Now for me, I just think that looks so much easier, so much cleaner, and it makes it a lot easier to get into the bonnet on that side, well, into the engine, sorry, on that side when you have no prop in the way. Now I suppose you can leave your prop in place, however I've taken mine out, don't really want it in there, it's unnecessary as far as I'm concerned. So there we have it, and obviously that then, once we close the bonnet, it's very stiff until you get down to the bottom, and then obviously open it again. There we go, just how we like it, much better in my opinion. So guys, that's it, nice and easy install I think. Thank you for watching, thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.